Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel, and today we're going to be going into another video on deals going on at Lowe's, more specifically in today's video, the Craftsman tools. Now I've already done a video of the Craftsman boxes and my thoughts on them. If you haven't checked that out, go ahead and check that out. I've also done a video on Cobalt and DeWalt deals going on at Lowe's. So today we're going to be focusing on the Craftsman hand tools and power tools. There are a lot of bit sets on sale, so you're going to see a lot of bit sets at the beginning and then sporadically throughout the video, and then there's also going to be a lot of good power tool deals, so stay tuned for that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Let's get into this. All right, so first up, we're looking at the 140 piece bit set. It's gonna come with a variety of different bits and different style of drill bits. It's gonna be $35, and it's in the Versa stack, so you can connect these cases together. Then here for $22, we have another one, also in the Versa stack, with various drill bits and bits as well. So for $22, that's a good deal. Here we are looking at a $13 29 piece bit set, a 40 piece bit set, and a 33 piece bit set for $20 and $8. So a good deal here for whatever your needs are. Here are a lot more various bit sets available for $10. Here's a 21 piece drill bit set with the hex shanks and a few bits at the top and a few other $10 options. Here we are looking at the $100 angle grinder, the reciprocating saw, 1/2-inch drive impact, and they're all brushless. So that's nice, some pretty good deals there. You can also see there's a air compressor down there. Some good deals for $100, and then down below you see the sets that are $250 and $230. Next up, we are looking at the $100 circular saw, which is also brushless. Now keep in mind, none of these come with batteries. They are all tool only, but still good prices there at the $100 range. Here we are looking at the $60 drill driver. It is the drill, one battery, and a charger for $60. Now keep in mind, this is not brushless. This is a brushed drill. So they just don't have the life expectancy of a brushless tool and just a little bit less power than the same size brushless version. But for $60, that's still a great deal, and we'll see this in a clip later on. Here we are looking at a 2-tool combo, the drill and impact driver with 2 batteries and a charger, and it is brushed for $100. Then you see a $150 2-tool combo, the same combo but with the brushless tools, so a little bit more for that brushless set. Then here we are looking at the $100 brushless 1/2-inch impact, and it is going to be a low power impact. It's only 275 foot-pounds. Here we are looking at the 1/2-inch drive torque wrench, 50 to 250 foot-pounds, and it is on sale for $50. So that's a really good deal compared to their normal pricing. Looking over here, we have a few specialty tools, a 5-pound slide hammer for $120, $60 for torque sticks, $80 for a brake service kit, $30 for the brake bleeder kit, and $35 for the pickle fork kit. Here's another look at that $60 brushed drill and the $60 impact driver, also brushed, but both of those for sale at $60. Then backing up, we see a 268 piece tool kit for $160, 232 piece kit for $100, and 215 piece kit for $120. Here they have their tripod on sale, normally $130. It is now $99 at 9,000 lumens. Here's their gunmetal 105 piece socket set with a 120 tooth ratchet. Seems like a really good deal for $80. And then as far as I can tell, over here we have the exact same set, but the full chrome instead of the gunmetal chrome, and it is $120 and a 72 tooth ratchet. And the last items is going to be this 6-tool combo kit for $250, which seems like a really good deal as well. Batteries and charger and bag are included. And then an $80 Versus Stack tower. Okay, YouTubers, so that is it for the Craftsman deals. There were some other items, but I wasn't interested in them, and they didn't seem like they were that great of a deal. And there were some in here that weren't that great of a deal, like that Versus Stack tower. It was normally $90 on sale for $80, so a $10 savings. Not that big a savings as far as that. Not terrible, but nothing too special. Those are pretty handy to have depending on your job. But other than that, they do have some really good deals on their power tools. Of course, the bit sets are all over the place for every brand, so you can get anytime those are on sale, I suggest picking some up if you use your drill whatsoever, because those are always handy to have, and they have a wide variety of them. But that's it as far as the Craftsman power tools and hand tools. I don't purchase really any Craftsman anymore. I used to use Craftsman a lot growing up, and I'm just really hoping Craftsman gets back to what they were. Because right now, these sales are great, but when they're not on sale, a lot of Craftsman products are high priced for what they are. So right now is the time to get them if you are interested in Craftsman tools. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts on Craftsman or some of these deals. And as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.